Victoria, how did you go with the acrylics at Sydney Blooms?
I've absolutely loved working with acrylics. This is a first for me. I love the medium. I've fallen in love with the medium.
Wow.
And the colours are just astounding. And I suppose for this 4-day workshop accomplished what I set out to do, which was to learn more about contrast. Jackie may also add that it's been an absolute delight to work under you, and I can only second all the wonderful comments that have been said, and your generosity of spirit is just above and beyond.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it, and I've really enjoyed it too. And it's been an awesome group, and everyone's worked so hard. What I love about your work is that you've got your own style. It's a little bit of a drawing, painting style coming through, and I think that's brilliant. So I'm really excited to see what else happens. Now you're in charge of some extra tools, so. How exciting.
Thank you.
And I'm going to be seeing you in France in late April.
Absolutely.
A bit more painting over there.
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw for the Blooms painting. Thanks, Jackie.
Okay, darling.